Your Apple ID has been locked for security reasons, and you're stuck. Let's get you back in. First, you'll likely see a notification or email informing you that your Apple ID has been locked. This happens when Apple detects suspicious activity, a common security measure to protect your account. To unlock it, head over to iforgo.com. This is Apple's official site dedicated to account recovery. On this page, you'll need to enter the Apple ID that is currently locked. Make sure you type it in accurately. Next, you'll be prompted to enter the phone number associated with your Apple ID. This is usually the primary recovery phone number you set up. Apple will then send a verification code to that phone number via text message or an automated call. You need to receive this code to proceed. Once you receive the code, enter it into the designated field on the website. Double-check that you've entered it correctly. With successful verification, you'll be guided to reset your password. Choose a strong, unique password that you haven't used before. This is crucial for your account's future security. After setting your new password, you should receive a confirmation that your Apple ID has been unlocked. You can now use your Apple ID with your new password. To prevent future lockouts, always use strong, unique passwords and enable two-factor authentication. Regularly review your account security settings in your Apple ID settings to ensure everything is up to date. This helps safeguard your personal information and keeps your devices connected.